Hi everyone, if you're watching YouTube on your Android TV and the video quality doesn't look great, maybe the videos appear blurry or not as clear as they should be, then this video is for you. In this quick video, I'll show you a simple settings that can instantly improve YouTube video quality on your Android TV. So let's get started. First, open any YouTube video on your Android TV. Now press the OK button on your remote and select the settings or gear icon. Now go to quality option and choose a higher option such as 1080p or 4K if it's available. In many cases, YouTube is set to auto quality, which can sometimes lower the video quality even when your internet connection is good. So manually select a higher quality option can instantly make your video look much sharper and clear. If changing the quality setting doesn't solve the problem, try these additional fixes. Check your internet connection, update the YouTube app, and restart your Android TV. And that's it. That's how you can improve YouTube video quality on your Android TV. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notification for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.